This next tutorial explores another selection from the ABRSM Grade 5 piano syllabus. This is the last piece in the published book by Prokofiev, La pluie et l'arc-en-ciel, The Rain and the Rainbow. It's only one page. Students are going to open up the book and see, how can this be a grade 5 selection? It's only one page. But as we know, it's not about length. It's about musical ideas and challenges that present themselves in this piece. And this is no different than the others. So, another thing students will notice is if they read the first few measures and pay attention to all the accidentals, it's still not going to convey immediately what Prokofiev is wanting with this title that he's given it. If I just line up the right fingers with the right keys and play it, now it's also faster than the tempo marked because of what's coming later, but what is that supposed to sound like? Okay, maybe raindrops, maybe some splish splashes, but I'm not feeling it yet. And it's true, this first phrase and the second phrase have to be felt completely differently. I'm going to play it again. I'm going to let pedal help me out a little bit. But notice how I'm also choreographing the raindrops. I'm taking a lot of rhythmic liberties to make the splish splashes sound like something. And the next phrase goes on to explore that idea. So you have two phrases of raindrops, and then the rainbow makes its appearance. So you notice the left hand is jumping around a lot. If I don't do those low C jumps and I just play this melody, simple, almost like a sonatina, but these big bass note jumps really add technical challenge to it and give it a much more expansive feel. In order to do that, what you're going to have to notice is the right hand has to play without looking at it. Your eyes will have to track where you're going next to find the low C and to find the next third in the mid-range of the keyboard. So you might practice the right hand a lot. Obviously, that's not a difficult melody to play if you've practiced sight reading and you know you can track the notes and let your left hand find the next note. It's a stepwise melody for the most part. But in the process of jumping around so much with the left hand, this is a challenge. So I am reading the music. I'm reading the right hand in order to know what's coming next, and I'm also looking down in order to find the left hand notes. It's a challenge. So here's the whole piece.